Today, I'll show you how to fix the Vanguard 185 error in League of Legends. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and open the control panel. Once you're in the control panel, click on Uninstall a program. From the list of programs, locate Riot Vanguard. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Now that Vanguard is uninstalled, we need to reinstall it. To do that, simply launch League of Legends. You'll see a prompt to reinstall Vanguard. Click Update to proceed. Once Vanguard is reinstalled, restart your computer. After rebooting, try launching League of Legends to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, let's move on to the second solution. We'll make sure the VGC service starts automatically. Go to the search bar and type Services. Open the Services app and scroll down to find VGC. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, set Startup Type to Automatic. Then click Start to run the service. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now check again if the problem is fixed. That's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the Vanguard 185 error. If it worked, please like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. Take care and see you in the next.